Many parents hear the name Cambridge Global Perspectives and wonder what exactly is this subject. Is it like geography or social studies, or is it important for my child's future? In this video, we will explain what Cambridge Global Perspective is in simple terms by Ms. Lakshmi, founder Level Up Learning Center. Hi Lakshmi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Again, I have come up with doubts regarding global perspectives.
Sure, let's start.
Okay, can we explain what is global perspectives?
Yes, let's start with the basics. Cambridge Global Perspectives, or it's called GP commonly, is a unique subject that has been created by Cambridge International. But it's not like the usual math or science. Here they don't learn facts or concepts. The idea is to help children learn and develop their thinking skills. So through the course, children learn to ask thoughtful questions, research about various global issues, listen to different viewpoints from others, form their own opinions, and then communicate their ideas confidently.
Ma'am, in global perspectives, what topics are covered?
The topics covered in Global Perspectives are real, current, and relevant to what is happening around us. These are topics that we talk about in our everyday life, we have discussion about in our family. For example, topics that children could explore are, is artificial intelligence good or bad? Does social media negatively affect teenagers? What are the causes of poverty? How to end it? So it helps children look at every topic from different angles. For example, a student studying about the negative influence of social media on teenagers might not only learn the negative impacts, but also will explore, let's say, how does it help them keep in touch with people around. So it gives them different viewpoints from which they form their own opinions.
Ma'am, because you are telling that it is a different subject, how it is assessed?
So there are three components of assessment that children have to go through. The first one is the regular theory paper, where they analyze case studies that are given. They also write short and long answers in their theory paper. The second one is an individual report. Children choose a topic that they want to learn about. They research, they state their report, or they analyze, and then they reflect on what they have learned. The third one is a team project. Like the individual project, here a group of children work on a particular topic that they are interested in. They again do their research, write down their findings, and reflect on their learning. So the whole assessment helps children with time management, collaboration, reflective thinking, and also helps them question the world around them.
Okay, why is the subject useful for the student?
So like I said, GP is not just an ordinary subject. Today's universities and employers do not just want high score. They want people who can think, who can reflect, who can work well with others, who can solve complex word problems. I think these are all skills that GP aims to provide students with. Also, children who want their ICE award in their IGCSE level or the AICE award in their A level need to do global perspectives. It is a compulsory subject that is required for them to gain that award. And also for students who are still figuring out their path, GP opens up a wide variety of subjects in their A level, be it social studies, be it environmental management, or any other science.
Okay, ma'am. Can homeschool students take this as a subject?
No, because it has coursework, especially team projects. It is not a subject that is available for private candidates. While at Level Up, we provide support for a lot of homeschooled students who write as private candidates in other schools. This subject is not open to them. But people who are in school and want help with the subject, we do help them with your theory paper, with your research project, and in writing their reports. So do get in touch with us if you want support with your GP subject. Do visit www.levelupglobal.in to know more about our programs. or do get in touch with us through one of our centers. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on IGCSE, A-Level and IBDB.